Hey people, I'm just about to do a little bit of picking on this very old looking Sargent padlock sent from Gareth over in WA. So let me show you the key. So here's the key. You can see a fairly deep cut on pin 1, and where are we? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 2 seems kind of high, and the rest are kind of moderate, and yeah, high-ish towards the end. So it could be interesting. Now it's probably a good idea to show the key working. So we'll place it in the lock, give the key a turn, and hey presto, open. Quite a decent amount of spring pressure. Single locking by the looks of this. Just a spring-loaded locking pole. So she's very much a shimmable lock, and if you can see there, tolerances are not so crash hot. So it's definitely a lock that can be shimmed, but I'm not going to bother shimming it. I'm just going to pick it. Alrighty. Time to do battle with this lock. Peterson hook. And some kind of moderate tension, I guess you would call it. Open. Yahoo! So, an interesting pick. At different points there I wasn't entirely sure that I was completely on track. I was getting a very clear feedback on some pins, but on others it felt a little bit soft and not so much mushy, but there was just a sudden release of pressure. So it felt like it went into place, but there was nothing really letting me know that it was perfectly in place with respect to the shear line. Some of that, or if not all of that, probably had to do with the tension I was using. Maybe it was a little bit light at points. It seemed to be my problem with this lock. During this pick, there were points there where I feel like I was using too much tension and the pins wouldn't move, and then there were other points where I think I released too much tension and I couldn't really feel things going into place cleanly, and occasionally in the middle I got the tension right and I could feel definite clicks and the sensation of the pin going into place. But part of the fun of lockpicking, you learn as you go. So there we have it, a beautiful old Sargent that has seen quite a bit of life picked. So I should say big thanks to Gareth over in WA for sending this lock this way. I quite like Sargents. They're a very cool lock, as I'm sure most of you know. But there's probably not much else that's left for me to say, so I'll just say peace and respect to one and all, and I'll see you on another day.